Want to hear a magical secret about a hidden island town? Come find out how Anda came to be. Hello, friends. It's me, Wishy. Come along and let me tell you the story of a very special island town.
Way back in 1842, a brave leader named Andres led families from Bolinao across the water to build farms on Cabarruyan Island. Their little village grew and grew. In January of 1850, the settlement was officially welcomed to life. Then in 1859, it became a proud, independent town with a brand new name, Anda. Years later, in 1903, a special law moved Anda into the lovely province of Pangasinan, a brand new home.
But Anda stood alone as an island for a long time. Then, in 1996, the amazing Anda Bridge opened, connecting it to the mainland at last. And today, Anda shines as a beautiful island getaway, home to the dreamy Tondol White Sand Beach. Isn't that magical? See you next time, friends.